Hi Fragrance fam! We've recently made some super bubbly, wonderfully cleansing shampoo bars with our version of Bath & Body Works Mahogany Coconut Fragrance Oil. I wanted to complete the collection by adding a deeply hydrating conditioner bar to make a fragrance pair. Solid conditioner bars are an easy and simple way to jump into working with phases. In this video, you'll learn how to emulsify ingredients effectively so you get a nourishing conditioner bar with the perfect consistency to use in the shower. Let's do it! You'll start with phase 1. This will contain all of the oils and emulsifiers you'll need to make the conditioner hydrate the hair. As with many solid conditioner formulas, this will be made up of mostly BTMS 25, a lightweight conditioner emulsifier. It's a solid, waxy substance that needs to be melted down with our other emulsifier, cetyl alcohol. To melt them down, I'm going to be using a trusty double boiler. As those are melting down, add in the next ingredients. First is some caprylic capric triglycerides. This is a fatty liquid derived from coconuts and glycerin that packs a moisturizing punch. And finally, we have some cocoa butter. Let those melt into each other with the other ingredients until everything reaches about 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's get the next phase ready. Phase 2 includes the water-soluble ingredients. First off, of course, is the distilled water. By giving our conditioner a water base, we ensure that the oily ingredients will wash right out of the hair without leaving any greasy residue behind. I'm also going to add in some stepping quahelia, a gentle surfactant that adds a silky slip to the hair to keep it from tangling. Up next is some glycerin, and finally we'll have some DL-panthenol, aka Pro-Vitamin B5. With all those in another heat-safe mixing beaker, place it in the double boiler next to phase 1. To prevent any water loss from evaporation, cover up phase 2 beaker with a watch glass or aluminum foil. Once both phases are in the same temperature, add the phase 2 into the phase 1 with all the emulsifiers. Use an immersion blender to emulsify the mixture. So, here's what it looks like now. You should wind up with a slightly thickened consistency. From here, let it cool down until the beaker is only warm to the touch, and you'll be ready to add in the last ingredients. These will be part of the cool down phase. Because they're heat sensitive, you should let the conditioner cool down before you add them. This formula doesn't just have water in it, it'll also be used in the shower where it will come in constant contact when it's in use. As such, you'll need a reliable, broad spectrum preservative. Optifend Plus is my choice for today. Make sure you research the capabilities of your preservative before you sub this out with anything else. Once it's stirred in, it's time for the fragrance. Like I mentioned at the start of this video, I'll be using our Mahogany coconut scent. As it cools, it should take on a lotion-like consistency. Make sure it's blended in really well with the conditioner base, then work quickly to pour the bars into some silicone molds of your choice while the mixture is still liquid. When picking out your molds, think about how the bars will be used. You'll want the molds that'll make the bars small enough to easily fit in your hand when it's applied. These will need a couple hours to harden completely, so set them somewhere cool and dry. Then, you're ready to unmold them. Here's how they look with the matching shampoo bars. They make a great pair. I definitely recommend selling these as a matching pair in a set. To package them up, heat shrink wrap them, or you use some parchment paper for a plastic-free option. And that's it! I hope you had following along with me in the AFI Project Lab today. If you did and you want to help support the channel, subscribe and ring that bell icon to become a member of the Fragrance fam. Please don't hesitate to drop any questions you might have down below. I'd be happy to answer them for you. For weekly discounts on some of your favorite fragrances, head on over to our web store and sign up for our newsletter. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Katie and I'll catch you all again soon. Bye!